Number 9. Range of x squared plus 1 if x is less than 4. 3 minus x. If 4 is less than or equal to x,
Bakit
is
maingay?
less than or equal to 6. 2x squared minus 8 if x is more than 6. The x equals 4. So to get a h of x equals x squared plus 1. 4 squared plus 1 is 60 plus 1. So it is 17. To be naman ko is the limit of x squared plus 1 as x approaches 4. Sagot po dyan is 17. Kasi po, same as the 18 po. Pero sa baba naman po, gagamitin po natin ay 3 minus x. Sa baba po. Limit of x 3 minus x. Yung x po natin is 4. So, 3 minus 4 is equals to negative 1. Hindi na po kailangan natin yung i-solve yung c po kasi po meron na pong hindi na-satisfy po. So, therefore, the function is discontinuous at x equals 4.